How do you get rid of acid reflux? So acid reflux is a very common thing that's these days is rampant. Every single day I get people asking me about acid reflux. That's how bad it is these days. You know what it is? It's interstitial lymphatic constipation or congestion. Your lymph system is stagnant. Your lymph system in your gut wall is stagnant and it's burning you from the inside out. If you don't fix it, it leads to gastritis, Crohn's, diverticulitis. You want to attend to it quickly. So what do? You change your diet. If you can't tolerate the fruits, go on green drinks. You have to use herbs for your kidneys, your lymphatic system, your adrenal glands, and your bowels. Those are, without exception, some herbs you need to use. Next, you need to get on the green drinks, as I mentioned, and build up to sub-acid fruits, like the pears, like the apples, okay? And then when you can tolerate that, and as your body gets better, move on to the grapes, the melons, and the citrus to do the final cleansing. This is how you take care of it, of the root cause, and fix it. In the meantime, to get immediate relief, you want to take marshmallow root, okay? I got it on my website. A tablespoon, put it into 32 ounces of cold water. Let it sit overnight and drink it all through the next day. It will coat your system. It is anti-inflammatory. It will fight the burn for you. Number two, you can take baking soda, about a quarter teaspoon in water and drink it. Also good for you, but be sure that you don't have high blood pressure with baking soda, okay? Because it has salt in the sodium. And number three, you want to take aloe vera shots and do shots with it. Very important. When you're fixing acid reflux, you also need herbs to target your liver, your pancreas, and your bowels. Okay, you need to heal the whole digestive tract. In fact, heal the whole body. So make sure you use enemas, and this is how you attend to it and fix it at the root cause. It's not difficult. It can be done. It just requires a little bit of work and time. Okay.